Hey guys, this is a quick and honest review of this suction cup for action camera. I use this one with my small camera that I have here. It's an Action 4, DJI Action 4. And there's a mount, of course, and I can just use this suction cup and it works pretty fine, especially in my car. So basically, I put this one in the windshield and I just need to press and turn this that way, okay? To release it and press again and turn to lock it up. Of course, not going to lock it up here because it's not glass, but you got the idea, right? And then you just need to turn this and move the way you want. So it basically goes 360. So it spins that way and you adjust the way you want and tighten it up again and it stays in place. So very, very easy to use. Very good for this price, okay, for this price tag. It's a good device. You can get yours on Amazon. I like this one and I recommend it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.